Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's been a long time. I haven't found the time to do two videos, but I'm here, and in this specific video, we're gonna do something a lot of you guys requested. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to make texture pack in miniblox. So the first thing you might want to do is go on GitHub and type this. GitHub.com smooth diode 6969 miniblox rainbow texture pack. So this will get you directly into this. So to make a texture pack, there are two ways. The first one is making it directly on your computer, so you don't need to log in and on anything. The second one is to do it on GitHub, which I say to do it. So if you made an account on GitHub, just click on fork. As you can see, I can't fork it because I'm the owner. Just fork it, select a name for it, and then it will create an exact copy of this whole project. Now that you're here, the first thing you might want to see is background.js. This file right here is one of the three files you need to make the whole extension. The first one is background.js, the second one is manifest.json, and the third is one of the images you might want to change for the game. So this is, in my opinion, the most important. As you see, it replaces all the files, as you see, textures, sprite sheet. We'll talk about the sprite sheet later. For example, you see the entity slime, alright. As you see, it changes this slime with my slime, for example. So just go here. This is the skeleton, for example. As you see, this is the back to basics skeleton skin. So if you want to change anything, just go on background.js and search for what you want. For example, entities, maybe the text, I don't know, for example the font here, and then just don't change the first link and change the second one after you uploaded it on your project. So for example, I just uploaded the photo, alright. I want to replace the arrow with my photo, so I don't change anything on this line, but I go on this and you need just to do this. For example, acacia, alright. Open image in another tab, and it's a row GitHub user content. You need to copy this link and go back to your background.js, walk up to your entity, and replace this link with the acacia thing I said. Alright? Perfect. Now, the second important file for this extension is the sprite sheet. This is just a PNG, but it contains everything in the game. So as you see, here I made the rainbow outline for all the items, and I made it here, so the game will automatically put everything in the game. So it's really easy. Just open it in an image editor. Use Photopia. I use Photopia, really good. You can modify something. Make sure you don't change the place, because it could ruin everything. After you're done that, just re-upload the sprite sheet. Make sure it's called the sprite sheet T, or just change the name on the background.js, because as you see right here, I called it a sprite sheet T. If one link is wrong in the background.js, the extension will not work or will work bad. After you're done this, just go on the third most important file. That's the manifest.js on. For example, this is the one I used. I used it from Hither.io extension because I don't know how to code. So just here, right here, you can change the name. So the name here, for example, is a Rainbow Texture Pack for P2P. So you can call it whatever you want. The version, it does not happen anything. It's just to make other people see what version is it. So you could type 99.9999. But if you want to make something serious, then just update it whenever you make something important. So for example, this is 1.6.12. The description, you can put nothing. I put here the credits to Hither.io and a little description. The author, you can put your own name or maybe just an alias. This is most important because it says it tells Google to use the background.js as a file to apply on the site. As you see, it applies on miniblox.io, miniblox online, miniblox.org, and githubuser.com. So it will, if you make an extension with this type of manifest, it will also work on crazy games. So these are the three most important files. Here I also got the font. I've got some backgrounds. As you see, the backgrounds. Then there is the armor. You can change this too. Then there is the debug. For example, this is what I'm using for the enchantment glint. So just change, just fork my project, and if you wanna modify the sprite sheet, just download it, add it in the photo editor, and re-upload it. Then when you're done changing the images, go on background.js and update every second link from .com smoothdude6969 to your name. As I told you before, just go here, open imaginary tab, copy this because it has your name and the updated image. Then when you're done updating the background.js, go on manifest.js on and upgrade the name, the version, the description, and the author. So this was how to make it in GitHub. The second way is to make it directly on your PC. So go on code, download zip, and you see it's downloading your extension. At least it's mine. Just click here. It's a zip, so you may wanna extract everything. Copy it on the desktop. And here it is. So just go here, and this is everything. Now, to make it on the desktop, it's kind of hard. So first go on the manifest.json, open it, with Noteblock, so you can edit it. As you see, it's the same. We modified the manifest.json. Just take the sprite sheet and change it. After you're done that, go on the background.js, open it with Noteblock, and it's gonna be kind of hard because you can't use these links right here. You can't use the second link, you just have to use the first one. So you need to get every image online already on the site. So after you modified all this, make sure it's saved. Go on extensions, 3 dots, extensions, manage extensions. Then you're here, turn on developer mode, load unpacked extension, go on desktop, click on this one, select, and boom, there it is, my own texture pack. Alright guys, so this was how to make an extension in miniblox. If you got any question, drop down in the comment and I will help you make your own extension. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.